Hey, what's going on, you guys? Taste of Firewheel is our 4th year doing it. Let's go check out our booth. We'll get the girls working really hard right now. You guys are watching this. Thank you for signing up today. Hey, shout out to Garland Health Department over here, keeping us safe and sanitized. And pro tip, you can never pay off the health department. I tried it once, it did not work for me at all.
Sir, just a signature.
All right.
And then that $100 bill.
What do you think about Taste of Firewheel so far?
So far, I think it's pretty cool. I'm really excited to see what today holds.
Well, hopefully we'll meet some people and we'll have a great time and bring some guests to the restaurant, right?
Yep.
We got our 2 newest subscribers here. Thumbs up, ladies. I believe as a restaurateur, as a restaurant owner, that you need to take advantage of every marketing platform you have out there. That's why we're doing it. Giving back to the community is what it's all about. Taste of Firewheel 2018.
Happy birthday, Riley. We love you.
Let y'all get going, okay, guys? Appreciate it. Bye, guys. All right. Another successful catering done by Opa Greek Taverna.
We're so gonna have to get on your blog.
No, you're fine. You're fine. I appreciate you, and we will see you guys soon. I thought that was really fun, including them on the vlog. Happy birthday, Riley. Thanks again so much for ordering from us. That means so much from our little restaurant. You have no idea. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy all the great food, and hopefully you subscribe to our channel. All right.
I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you, and you know it too.
All right, guys, so I'm sitting on these train tracks here, just kind of reflecting on the day. And you know, we did the Taste of Garland this morning. We also did that huge catering order out in Louisville. That was great. Again, happy birthday. Thank you so much for that. But I just stopped by this train track over here and just take a deep breath and think about that these tracks have been here probably well before I was even born. And it's just crazy to think, looking out behind me, that you know, they're gonna be here probably long after I'm gone. It really puts life in perspective. And everything is just fast paced. And man, it just feels so good to just slow down, take a deep breath, take life in. You know, something as simple as a set of train tracks. Thank you guys so much for the journey. This is, you probably, if you're watching right now, you have nothing else to do, because I'm sure you already clicked off, but those of you who are still watching, that's kind of the point I'm getting across, the fact that no one has time for nothing right now. No one has time for anything. It's just, you know, it's like consume and digest and spit out, consume and spit, and consume and consume. And like, if a video is longer than a minute, it's like, it's not worth my time. So I get that, but anyway, I don't want to ramble on too long. I'm just here hanging out at the train tracks and taking a deep breath, slowing down and reflecting on life. And I think we all should do that sometimes, if you're as busy as I am, sometimes it's like good just to slow it down and look around you and thank God for your blessings and appreciate the life that you have. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog today. If it's your first time watching me, I'm normally not this deep and emotional, but definitely consider subscribing if you like the restaurant vlog, if you like the restaurant channel, if you like Greek food, definitely subscribe. We'll do a lot of really fun, cool stuff. A lot of mosquitoes out here. Do a lot of really cool, fun stuff in the future. And yeah, that's it. I'll put my heart and soul into this vlog like I do my restaurant, like I do my family, like I do everything else. So if you like what you're watching, turn on those notifications, and we will see you guys in the next vlog.